Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from the flea market. Got a lot of stuff here, about 40 pounds that I had to carry in my backpack and in both arms to get out of there. I'll show you one of the things real quick. I got this BB gun. I've been wanting one of those since I was a little kid. Finally got the opportunity to get one, and I got this one for 15 bucks. Actually, with somebody I knew, he gave me a good deal on it. So it's a Buck / Daisy BB gun in working order. So I was happy to get that. The other stuff here I will show you in a minute. Okay, guys. Right. So we'll start off with what I got in this little box here. I got this case full of wrenches for 8 bucks. I eyed this wrench here, this Barcalo wrench, and come to find out it is broken. So I was kind of bummed out about that. But there's some other wrenches in here that are alright. Got a few VL check wrenches here. You got like 3 VL check wrenches. Got a motorcycle wrench here. Some oldie but goodie there. Got a handful of generic wrenches. I might, if I could do it over, I might not pay the 8 bucks for it. But I'll show you one cool thing. The box itself is kind of cool. Bicycle Research. So just kind of, he's got like a Shimano wrench here. So got a General Automotive Lamps box. So the box itself makes it worth it. Right, on this side for safety check. So that's fine with me. I think I did all right on that. So I'll go get some more stuff. Okay, I missed a couple of the tools that were in that box. So yeah, there was this Ford wrench in there, which is very cool. And then I had this Williams wrench was in there as well. Okay, and then this, I got this little digital caliper here, vernier caliper, for 2 bucks. I don't have a digital caliper, so heck yeah. And then got the Snap-on catalog from 1983 for $1 buck. It's pretty cool. Really neat to look inside this and see all the Snap-on tools. Some cool toolboxes there. Be nice to have this set up. Okay, and got this big old pulley for $2.75. The guy wanted $3, but I was short a quarter, so it worked out. Really cool old pulley. I'll have to spit shine this thing and see what I can do with it. Alright, let me get some more stuff. Okay, and I got this Barcalo wrench here, 15/16 for $2 bucks. Good looking wrench, forged alloy USA. C530 combo wrench. I like the shaping of it. And I got this strapping tensioner tool. Believe it or not, this was it's only $1 buck. So it seems to be in working order. So got a little rest on it. Alright, then I got both of these planes here for $5. The little Stanley here. This one, it says made in USA down here. It says made in USA here, but I took it apart. I couldn't find any markings on it, so I mean, normally you would find, you know, something here or here. Maybe there is something there. I'm gonna have to take the wire wheel to that and see if something comes up. But yeah, I got those two for $5. And then, okay, let me get some more. Okay, and last but not least, we have the hammers that I got. I got 7 hammers. I got a straight claw here. It's a Craftsman with a rubber grip on it. And it's just a really cool heavy-duty hammer. Got a Vaughan. And I got a little Stiletto. It's not, this is a Vaughan, sorry, I keep saying Vaughan. Stiletto ball peen hammer here, which is cool. And oh yeah, this was ended up being like an ace hammer. This is nothing to write home about, but this one I was happy to get. This is the first time I was able to get a Hart. These hammers at the flea markets go for quite a bit. You know, they're usually charging $20 or so. But yeah, it's a pretty sweet hammer here. Framing hammer, and then we got an Estwing here with the rubber grip. Needs a lot of cleaning up, of course. Let's see. And then this is the last one here, which is, yeah, it's a no-namer. There is something on here, but it's so hard for me to see. It's got a octagon head and neck here. Pretty much a straight claw. So all the hammers all together I got for $17. So I think that was pretty well worth it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.